Back when I was a child, people have removed all the innocence. My father would lift me high and dance with my mother and me, and then spin me around till I fell asleep. Then up the stairs he would carry me, and I knew for sure I was loved. If I could get another chance, another one, another dance with him, I'd play a song that would never ever end. How I love, love, love. Dance with my father again. Every night I fall asleep. This is all I ever dream. Sometimes I'd listen outside the door, and I'd hear how my mother cried for me. Pray for her even more than me. Pray for her even more than me. I know I'm praying for much too much. Could you send back the only man she loved? I know you don't do it usually, but dear Lord, she's dying to dance with my father again. Every night I fall asleep. This is all I ever